Today, as medicine continues to advance, more questions are emerging about the ethics of biomedical research. While we continue leveraging new technologies in the quest for more effective and personalized medical treatments, we must consider how they are developed and are applied in line with our values. For the past 20 years, the Bioethics Advisory Committee, or the BAC, have recommended policies to the government on biomedical research ethics, with the aim of protecting the rights and welfare of individuals, as well as furthering biomedical sciences in Singapore. During the BAC's 20th anniversary virtual conference, we will discuss key bioethical issues in research areas that have seen significant recent advancement, including artificial intelligence, gene editing, and assisted reproduction technology. We hope to share with both the scientific community and the general public the latest biomedical science and research and development, as well as how ethics interacts with biotechnology in these areas. One of these areas is assisted reproduction technology, also known as ART. It refers to the application of laboratory or clinical techniques to treat infertility and includes all fertility treatments in which either eggs or embryos are handled. This has resulted in more than 5 million infants born globally. However, ART also presents some ethical issues, such as the right to anonymity of the donors and the children's rights to know their genetic parents, lending consideration to the idea that a child's genetical lineage might be as or more important to the child's identity than the role the parents play raising them in society. There are also concerns that ART could open the door to producing designer babies, children who are not only free from severe genetic diseases, but also selected for traits such as eye color or intelligence. As the field continues to rapidly evolve, we must constantly monitor advancements in ART, both for the users and the infants conceived of their use, to ensure that advancements in ART balance the needs of the users with social and moral responsibility. Another contentious area is gene or genome editing. It refers to a group of technologies that allow scientists to make changes in the genetic sequences of organisms and is used in gene therapies to prevent or treat diseases. Ethical issues arise, especially in germline editing, where the DNA in reproductive cells, like sperm and eggs, are being edited. These edits will then be passed down to their offspring. As such, consequences, positive or negative, of germline editing will be borne by future generations. This beckons the question, should scientists be allowed to edit germline cells? Even though the specificity of genome editing technologies has improved, it remains imperfect and errors can still occur. Therefore, assessing safety, fair allocation of gene editing technologies, and creating a framework to guide experts on ethical standards is essential. Lastly, another key concern of the future of bioethics is artificial intelligence, the simulation of human intelligence in machines. Increasingly, we see its use in precision medicine to personalize diagnoses and treatments, in AI-enabled digital health applications, and in helping researchers screen massive libraries of data to quickly develop vaccines during a pandemic. Despite its benefits, biomedical AI presents ethical concerns, such as underrepresentation of patients of lower socioeconomic levels due to poorer access to healthcare. This results in algorithms that are less reflective of socially marginalized groups. Researchers also need to be responsible to protect the information from unauthorized access. Leaks of health-relevant information can lead to discrimination in education, employment, and insurance. With the advancement and ever-increasing use of technologies, we need a regulatory framework based on solid ethical principles to ensure accountability in healthcare and biomedical research. Raising awareness in bioethics in the next generation is crucial in addressing contemporary challenges. Whether you're part of the scientific community or a member of the public, we all have our part to play in navigating the rapidly changing landscape of bioethics.